How to fix DoorDash app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix the DoorDash application not working, follow this quick and easy step. The first thing that you should know is whether or not DoorDash is available in your country. If not, in that case, DoorDash will not work in your particular region. In that case, you can try to use a VPN, however, it does ask for a mobile number. If DoorDash is available in your country and there might be some of the technical issue, follow this next step. Open up your phone settings. You need to scroll down and click on the apps option. From here, tap on the option of DoorDash. Over here, first step is to force stop your app and tap on OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. Also check your Wi-Fi connection and make sure that your Wi-Fi speed is at optimum. If not, you can switch into cellular data or enable your airplane mode for a couple of minutes, then turn it back off. Lastly, open up your Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search icon to search for DoorDash. Over here, if you see any of the available update for the app, make sure to update it as well. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.